Welcome to Holly Dolly World. Today we're going to see if we can find some frog eggs in Holly's backyard. Let's go. Let's go to the back little pond. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, looking hard. We're looking hard. Let's go to the back. Walk back with her. Ooh, what do you see? No, I don't see anything there. Let's keep going. Ooh, do you see some water? I wonder if there's frog eggs in the water.
Oh, you see them? Oh, right there.
Ooh, I think the frog eggs are right there. Oh, you're looking for the frogs? We found the frog eggs in the pond. Did you see them? Whoa, are you jumping on the trampoline? Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah. Woo! Fun! Look at how high you're jumping. Woo! Are you having fun? Woohoo! Go, Holly! Go, Holly! Go, 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 Holly! Look at you! Big girl on the trampoline. Holly, the turkeys are in your backyard. Look at all the turkeys. What's that? How many turkeys do you see? Do you want to count them? Hunter find some fossils? Did brother find fossils? Fossils? Look at the fossils Hunter found. Is it snowing?
No.
Brr, it's cold.